Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Festivus. Whether you celebrate any of these or none of them at all, you can't escape that this is the holiday season, and during the holiday season come the holiday drinks. I'm Rico, this is Absolut Drinks with Rico. This channel will teach you to mix cocktails, but you will also learn the tools of the trade, the concepts bartenders work with, and some history and some fun stuff relating to the world of mixology. Okay, so as it's the holiday season, let's make some holiday drinks.
But if it's the holidays, shouldn't we do something really special?
This is my show, I'll do the show. And this is the Grasshopper Noël.
Whoa. I know that those are good intentions, but if this is a holiday special, then something special has to happen. Grasshopper is what Kung Fu masters used to call their apprentices. So let's go Kung Fu movie. This is a drink created by myself. We are going to make it in this small martini glass. It is a very short drink. It is a twist on the classic drink that is the Grasshopper. The Grasshopper is very sweet, sometimes almost radioactive green. Using all of my powers, I created something mature and a little bit more seasonal.
So let's just jump straight into it. This is quite a small drink, but it's packed full of flavor, and it's a great little after dinner drink if you want something just to round off your evening's food. This drink is all equal parts. It is 1, 1, 1. So we're gonna start first with our heavy cream. Give that a little shake. We're gonna go for 30 mils of heavy cream there. Next up, we've got an Italian mint flavor digestive. This is herbal minty goodness, the elixir of gods. We're gonna stick a good 30 mil in there as well. And last but not least, Absolut Vanilla Vodka. Possibly, in my opinion, the best vanilla vodka on the market, and it always has been. The industry standard. We're gonna stick 30 mils of that in there as well. Next up, we're gonna scoop up some ice, get that straight in. Now, we're taking our larger side of our shaker, and we're gonna jam that on and give it a good hit, just to make sure you get this seal all sealed and correct. Let's give this a good shake. That was a tough one. We're gonna take our Hawthorne strainer now, and we're gonna place this directly onto our tin. We're gonna take our 2 little pinchers and our index finger on top. That means we can hold it and control it. And we're going to take our fine strainer. Now the reason we're going to be fine straining this drink is because we've shook it hard. The ice has broken up inside the tin, and we don't want those chunks of ice sitting in our glass while we drink it. It's going to taste watery. It's almost done. I'm going to take this little mini grater, and we're going to just grate some dark chocolate. Try and get something that's at least 80% cocoa solids, because it's just the best. I am a chocoholic, you know.
www.absolutchocoholic.com. Stop the hurt.
And there we have it. Grasshopper Noël. Oh yeah. Really smooth because of the cream. The herbal minty flavors pair perfectly with Absolut Vanilla, and the chocolate and cream just make it, it tastes like how I want after dinner mints to taste.
That looks really good, Rico. Can I try it? Can I come on?
Come on.
I wore my holiday sweater. This is like the only holiday sweater I got.
Have a little gander. Okay. Tell me what you think.
I thought it would be overpowered by, like the mintiness, but it's not. It's this is good. Can I take this away?
All yours, bro.
Because you're gonna keep going, so I'm gonna.
Yeah. So the next Christmas drink we're gonna be making is another creation of mine here. Is Christmas in Hollis. Let's get into this. We're gonna be making them in these little rocks glasses, because Christmas in Hollis is a twist on a vodka old fashioned that I created called the Absolut Gangster. We're gonna take our mixing glass, so start with our cheapest ingredient first. That's just because if you mess up, you're gonna be throwing away your cheapest ingredient. We're gonna take our 1-to-1 sugar syrup. We want 5 ml. We're gonna take 4 drops of chocolate bitters. Next up, we're gonna take 25 ml of Lillet Rouge, which is a French aromatized wine. All aromatized wine is aged, sweetened, spicy wine. Next up, the Daddy Absolut Original Vodka. And we're gonna wanna put in a nice big 45 mils. 45 mils is the magic number, by the way. It makes all drinks taste fantastic.
I'm not even gonna argue or discuss that with you. I'm just gonna accept it as gospel.
it is gospel.
Hallelujah.
We want to throw some ice in here, and then we're going to stir. If you don't have a bar spoon, just use a spoon and stir it. Just stir till it's cold. You want to serve it cold because we're going to be serving over a big chunk of ice. It's also a sipping drink, so you're not going to drink it all in one. We've got a new strainer here. This is a julep strainer. We've got one big chunk of ice in there. We're going to pour it over slowly. Next up, we're going to take our bog standard vegetable peeler, and we're going to zest some orange. Didn't mean to do that. Looks kind of good. I'm gonna leave it there, but what I really wanna do is get all these oils around the drink, rub that around. But there we have it, the Christmas in Hollis. That is so good. I'm a firm fan of red wine, and when you get the Lillet Rouge, with the amount of spices in there, it's almost borderline like mulled wine flavors anyway. With the addition of the chocolate, Absolut Vodka going in there to really elevate all the flavors, and the orange that's an amazing drink. Christmas in Hollis. It's a shame we can't play that song though, actually.
But we can play some background music for the ninjas.
Ninjas? What have ninjas got to do with the holidays?
Well, when I was a kid, there was that awesome movie, The Year the Ninjas Saved the Holiday Season.
No, there wasn't.
The holiday season's in trouble. We ninjas must save it. Let's go.
Wait for Uncle Dave. Have you been a good boy? You've been a good boy.
We have saved the holiday season.
We have saved the holiday season.
So here's another holiday drink. It's not. So for this drink, we're actually going to be making a hot cocktail. So we're not going to be using any shakers. We're going to use just a kitchen pan.
Can I ask why is it called It's Not an odd name?
We can't really discuss that.
I know, we're going to cut it out. I'm just curious.
Oh, right, yeah. There's a chocolate company in the UK, and around Christmas, I always get their chocolate from my nan.
So you would be making It's if you were in the UK?
No, we can't say that, it's legal.
Yeah, I know what it is.
First, we're gonna take some heavy cream. We're gonna put 45 ml per drink into the heavy cream. Next, we're gonna go for the whole milk. There we go. We're gonna go 100 ml per drink. And then you're gonna wanna roughly get about 50 grams of dark chocolate. We're gonna throw a little bit more in just because no one's ever said it's too much chocolate.
That is too much chocolate.
We're gonna bring this over to our pan, put that on a high heat. We wanna bring it to a boil, but we don't wanna let it boil. If it does burn, you may have to start again. See, it's already heating up pretty quickly, so there we have it. Hot chocolate milk. First thing we're gonna add is some simple syrup at a ratio of 1:1. We're gonna wanna add 10 mils per drink. Next up, we're gonna add some orange liqueur. Now this orange liqueur is actually cognac based, just to add that extra Christmassy feel. We want 20 mils per drink. Next up, we're gonna go for the Absolut Mandrin, and we actually want 25 mils per drink. Give that a whisk. We've got some cute little toddy glasses. I'm gonna pour this straight in.
Wow.
And we're gonna just zest just a little bit of orange. Wanna make sure those oils go everywhere and just drop it in. We just want those oils to elevate that aroma of orange. And here you have it. It's not it's Rico's. It's like an alcoholic cuddle.
Wow, just like when I was growing up at home with my grandparents.
Okay, so thank you for today. Happy holidays. Enjoy whatever you get up to over the holiday season.
Cut.
If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Click and subscribe to never miss an episode.
And now separately, you can sort of turn to me a little off camera, and then say, "Hey Indy, maybe I should make another holiday drink for us just for the holidays."
Hey Indy, maybe you can make another...
No, but look at me this time, off camera, okay?
Hey Indy, maybe I should make another holiday drink just for us, just for the holidays.
Yeah, but what about for the ninjas?
What ninjas?
This is a delicious Christmas drink. He has blended the chocolate with heat. It is fantastic. I too am very impressed with the blend of flavors. Rico is a genius. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays!